Alright, I got this in the mail. Unopened. I don't know if my address is on the other side. It is not. Good. I have a mission to be proficient in high security lock picking again. I used to do a lot of Medico. Oh, gross. He put them in socks. What the fuck? I used to do a lot of Medico lock picking. These, like, man, I hope those are some clean socks. Like, I bought these off of eBay, and they don't look clean. That's just, that is, man, that is just unprofessional. That's just gross. Yeah, and I smelled it. Yeah, it smells neutral. No fear. Let's pack these padlocks into a pair of Nike socks for protection. What the hell? Anywho, I want to get proficient at picking high security cylinders again. I used to do it a lot, not so much lately. This one's got a spinning shutter to make it more difficult. Let's open it up, see what's inside. It's got a, looks like it has an anti-drill insert also. Okay, so this is a keyway right here. Just dropped my pick. I had a friend of mine make this a long time ago, so I do like it. And I use it because, you know, why else would I own it? Okay, let's see. Got the keyway. I don't know if this rotor pick will fit into this, but I'm going to see. Let me grab my seat. How to do this. This is a big boy. This padlock is massive. Alright. Let me see. Loosen the screw so we can free this up. I don't know if this will go in. I have a set of keys that I can stick in and see. Oh, what do you know? Maybe this will work, maybe it won't. I have no idea. Let's check this one over here too. Cool. I don't know multi-lock systems yet. All I know is I have this, and I can marginally use it, and I need my practice. Alright, just got these in the mail. I practiced a little bit. Neither one I was able to pick open initially. Gonna try again. Oh! Dropping stuff. I have pasta cooking and sauce also. Sauce also. Stutter, stutter, stutter. So, put this in. I believe that's inserted all the way. Let's try to get everything on frame here. I gotta hang this off the edge because if not it'll contact the table. But see, it's locked. I'm gonna try to pick this beast. There, now it's in. Okay, guess that one's not bound. Yeah.
Cap, orange juice.
Yes. This is my third attempt at picking this gigantic multi-lock padlock, which is currently locked. Trying to pick it, and I'm just not very good at using this pick yet, but I feel like I'm getting close. I got a little rotation right there. Oop, got a lot of rotation right there. Got it. Holy crap. It just took me stepping away from it to pick it open. Jesus. Man, see now, that looked too easy. Damn. I've literally spent like 30 minutes picking it, just heated up my pasta in the other room and came back to it and got it. Boom. It's a beast. Can I get you out? I don't think I can get this cylinder out. Maybe I can. There's 2 torque screws right there. Might have to break this down. I'll take this out now. Shazam! I have another one that's smaller, but basically the same style. Sweet. Alright, so my pasta's done cooking. And I got this big ass beast of a multi-lock open. I cannot believe, like, I swear, like, I have all the video footage too. I might just upload it so I don't look like I'm a phony. But I spent like 30 minutes picking that, set it down, fucking came back, and it opened right up for me. Let's see here. Yeah, these are some hard ass Torx bits to get out. I'm not going to get them out with this flimsy little tool. Wait a second. Did I get that one out? I did. Okay. Let's try to get this other one. Keep it straight. Did I get it or am I stripping it? I'm going into labor over here because this is pissing me off. Ah, gotcha. Accidentally slammed my rotor pick in the process, but you know what? It's all good in the hood. That's a big ass ball bearing. We have one over here too probably that needs to come out. Oh well, we got the cylinder. Oh, get on out there. And the shutter or the anti-drill insert. Holy shit. Well, those are some big balls you got there. Tailpiece, does it come off? Yeah. Okay. Uh-huh. See, we've got it entrapped right now. I don't think I have a plug follower in here. Hold on one second. See, the top pins are coming through. See if I can't get them up to turn this lock. Okay. So now we've got it like this a little bit. Let's go ahead and dump it. See if my boy George will give me a new cylinder or cut me a key. Let's see. Got the top pins coming through. Let's make sure not to drop these over here. One. Two. Three. Oops, that pin fell right out. Oh, that fell out of the chamber. Stupid me. Hold on one second. That fell out of the plug. Let's go ahead and put that pin back in there. You're tiny. Okay. The spring. And I think this might be the last one right here. 4. Maybe. Spring. And, oh, there's one more. 5. Ooh. Okay. See, this one back here I barely touched. Because I was picking, I kept oversetting the very back pin. But you can see it's very tall. We look in here. We can see that going on. We can see the keyway warding, and I guess that's the tip stop right there. This little pin in the rear. You see it's a pin and pin design. I really wish I knew how to decode these so that I could use my A9P to code cut a key. But here's our drivers. They are serrated with pin and pin action going on. Forgive the lack of knowledge on these. I honestly bought the rotor pick to teach myself how multi-lock works, how to pick them, and stuff like that. It's a goal of mine to learn how to pick them. We got our shackle right here. Hold on, bear with me. Our shackle is right here with the shackle guard. And let's see. This appears to be removable, held in with an Allen head screw. This is so big, it's amazing. I'm happy I picked it, really. That's why I'm doing the breakdown. Here's the body. We have the in there the shutter for the cylinder, and here was the here's one ball bearing that came out. The other ball bearing. These are double ball locking detents. Okay, just go ahead. I'm gonna put these in here so I don't lose them. This is the actuator that sits on the back of the cylinder, so that, and in this position right here on the side, you can see the wear marks. Pushes the ball bearings into the shackle to lock it. This recessed portion allows them to sink in to free the shackle. This is a cam or tailpiece. It sits on the back of the actuator, like so, I believe. And this was an insert cover over the keyway. Alright, so let's dump these out. Okay. Don't go anywhere. Three. Four. Gotcha. There you can see the bitting. Get the light better on them. Of the cylinder, and each little pin is pin and pin design. You see. Oh, scooch him over. You see that little internal pin that sits inside. Looks like a little bullet. Very cool. Well, that's it, man. That is it. I'm going to keep it out or disassembled, and hopefully my friend in New York City can help me with a key. Hopefully I'll get this guy open soon.